Alaska Airlines Credit Card Review, 2025 Pros and Cons Overview. Most people get this wrong, but airline credit cards aren't just for frequent flyers. In 2025, the Alaska Airlines credit card continues to stand out, and the surprising truth is that its value goes far beyond free flights. This card is issued by Bank of America and is designed to reward loyalty to Alaska Airlines and its global partners. Cardholders earn miles on everyday spending, with higher earning rates on Alaska Airlines purchases. One of the biggest draws is the annual companion fare, which allows you to bring a second passenger on a paid flight for a low fixed fee plus taxes. Another major advantage is mileage flexibility. Alaska Mileage Plan miles are known for strong redemption value, especially on partner airlines. Many travelers find that Alaska miles stretch further than miles from larger carriers. However, you won't believe what happens next if you assume this is a premium travel card. The card lacks luxury perks like airport lounge access or travel credits. It also comes with an annual fee, which only makes sense if you actually use the companion fare or earn enough miles. The card also offers free checked bags and priority boarding on Alaska flights, which can easily save hundreds of dollars per year for frequent travelers. That said, if you rarely fly Alaska or its partners, the value drops quickly. In conclusion, the Alaska Airlines credit card is best for travelers who regularly fly Alaska Airlines and want straightforward, high-value rewards. If you can take advantage of the companion fare and mileage redemptions, this card can be a smart addition to your wallet in 2025.